The 2021 Toyota Camry LE is a popular choice in the mid-size sedan market, known for its reliability, comfort, and fuel efficiency. Here's an in-depth review covering various aspects. The Camry LE comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This setup provides smooth acceleration and responsive handling, making it suitable for both city driving and highway cruising. While it may not be the most thrilling in terms of performance, it offers a balanced driving experience. One of the highlights of the Camry LE is its excellent fuel efficiency. With its efficient engine and transmission, it achieves respectable mileage, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. Inside the Camry LE, a comfortable and spacious cabin with ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The seats are supportive and well-cushioned, providing a pleasant ride even on longer journeys. The interior design is functional and straightforward, with user-friendly controls and plenty of storage compartments. The 2021 Camry LE comes equipped with a range of standard features, including a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and a suite of advanced safety features like Toyota Safety Sense 2.5. While the infotainment system is functional, some may find the screen size a bit small compared to competitors. Toyota prioritizes safety, and the Camry LE reflects that commitment. It includes a comprehensive set of safety features such as forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and more. These features help enhance driver confidence and make the Camry LE a top choice for safety-conscious buyers. Toyota has a reputation for building reliable vehicles, and the Camry is no exception. Owners often report minimal maintenance issues and high levels of satisfaction with their vehicles. Additionally, the Camry holds its value well over time, making it a smart investment for those looking for long-term ownership. The exterior styling of the 2021 Camry LE is modern and sleek, with clean lines and a bold front grille. While some may find the design conservative compared to more daring competitors, it still maintains a timeless appeal that appeals to a wide range of buyers. The 2021 Toyota Camry LE is a well-rounded mid-size sedan that excels in reliability, comfort, fuel efficiency, and safety. While it may not offer the most exciting driving dynamics or cutting-edge technology, it provides excellent value for money and remains a top choice in its segment. Thanks for tuning into our Car Shop YouTube channel. We hope you enjoyed exploring the latest reviews and insights into the automotive world. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates, car tips, and exciting content. Keep cruising with us, and we'll see you on the road.